Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your to-do list on the Evergreen application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the hour list option, which is the third one. Here, as you can see at the top below the hour list title, there is the to-do and completed section. So if you want to add a new item to your to-do list, tap on the plus icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, here you can see that there are 4 suggested items for suggestions. So if you want to add them to your list, tap on the plus icon. However, you have the chance to add your own item by tapping on the create your own and then the plus icon next to it. Select an icon and then tap on the title box and type in your title and give details. After that, tap on the add icon down below, thereby adding this new item to your to-do list. If you tap on it, you will be able to see the details, who added this, the date of adding it, and if you want to edit it, tap on this edit button in the upper right corner of this section. You can select or change the title and the details, then press the button save. If you have completed this item on your to-do list, tap on the mark complete option down below, thereby marking it as complete. Tap on done, and if you click on the completed section, you will be able to see that this item moved to this completed section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.